Hello everyone, in front of me I've got ODYS Thanos 10 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on the display. Now let's tap on the wallpaper, which should be on the third position, and here we've got 3 different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from live wallpapers, and here we've got some animated ones. We've got also Google Photos, which is basically your own gallery, and we've got the wallpapers, which are defaultly installed on this device, and they are static, so they are not animated. So as you can see, after entering here, you will be able to check some wallpapers which we've got pre-installed here, of course, if any. But if you will, for example, decide that you want to pick something from your device, I mean from your collection, just tap on My Photos, and you will be immediately transferred to the recents. For example, here you can change the file in which you will check or find the wallpapers. So let me pick, for example, this one, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on this list here. So if you are ready, just tap on the wallpaper in the left upper corner, and here you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let me tap on it, and now let's go back. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your ODYS Thanos 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.